Alright guys, so first things first is locate the ECU. In this case, it's in the left side of the engine bay on the bottom here, right behind where the battery goes. So I went ahead and disconnected and moved it out of the way. And all that is a 10 millimeter bolt there. I've already installed the new ECU. So you have to disconnect the old one through there, and then you have to go inside of the cabin area for the passenger, and you got to pull it off from the back here. As you can see, it's the ECUs right there, pretty easily to locate it. Now let me show you how to program it. So after you install the new ECU, you're going to notice that when you turn the ignition on, the theft light is going to be blinking like crazy, and it might start but then it dies. So you're going to have to address that first before the vehicle can run, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we're going to go to the emo function, forward. I'm going to go in manually because usually it doesn't automatically detect the VIN with this one. Go manual. Always make sure you have good battery voltage. Go forward, USA, F-150, 99-2004, blade key. And hit yes. Control unit, mobilizer remote control learning. So you're gonna go in here and you're gonna hit parameter reset. Turn the ignition on. We've already done that. We're gonna hit yes. Learning successful. All right, so let's confirm that it works. Let's take a look at the theft light. It comes on and it goes off, which is good. Let's try and start it, see if the vehicle starts. And there we go, she starts right up. If this was helpful to you, please leave a like and please consider